Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Cold Lake Chrysler, just here to show you this 2025 Chrysler Pacifica Select. Just going to take a quick walk around this Pacifica today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this Pacifica does offer all-wheel drive capabilities, giving you great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Also comes with a great blend of features. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your rear park sensors across that back bumper. Backup camera also equipped back there. Power lift gate, so you can easily access the cargo area in the back. You do have your stow and go seating as well, both with the second and third row, so you can easily fold those seats down to give you more cargo space when needed. As you can see up top too, this specific model is also equipped with a Thule cargo carrier up top, so a cool little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. You also do have your power sliding doors, so you can easily access the vehicle. In that second row, you do have your bucket second row seats. You can see tons of leg room there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Floor mats also included throughout the vehicle already, so again, a great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Seats themselves are a leather seat and again offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Just to take a peek up front here. So touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in here. Of course, as you can see, access to all of your climate control options within there. You do have dual climate control or dual climate zones, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to all of your audio media controls, Bluetooth capabilities, and all of the apps and settings built in through there. Just below your screen, again, access to all of your basic audio media controls, climate control options. You do have lane departure warning. USB port hookups just below that. Storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob right here, so remote start is included. Your push button start just in behind there. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have cruise control options there, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. Power windows, lock side mirrors, and memory driver's seat. But that's just a quick look at this 2025 Chrysler Pacifica. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-594-2277 or follow the links below.